Meet Excelitte, the ultimate shield for your sensitive data against cyber threats. Excelitte introduces a new update to enhance user security. First, there's the username and complex password, followed by email two-factor verification. For added security, Excelitte offers Okta Verify Mobile Authentication, an optional third layer. The latest addition is biometric facial recognition. Users authenticate with real-time scans, ensuring it's their real face, not a static image. These layers can be used interchangeably or together, providing up to 4 layers of authentication. Excelite's enhanced authentication aims to deliver unparalleled security. Excelitte is your 100% guarantee that your data can't be stolen, ransomwared, or successfully hacked. Sign up for a free trial today at login to excelitte.com and experience the future of data management.